Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to go about installing an APK into your AVD, or, your Android Virtual Device Manager, or in other words into the Android using the Android Debug Bridge or ADB, Android ADB. Basically, how to install an APK into the default Android emulator, if you're not using an IDE or whatever the case may be that you just want to manually install an APK into your emulator, this video is for you. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your actual emulator. Okay, so if you don't know how to open up the emulator and you don't even know how to get it, so your emulator even wants to open, see my last video and get to this part where you can figure out how to do that, and then come back and watch this. So once you have your emulator open here and everything is open, that's the first step. So open up your emulator, get that open, get it running. The next step here is to locate your Android SDK. Okay, here's my path for mine, and within there you want to go to Platform Tools, and we're going to be using ADB.exe. Now if you just try to open this, it'll open and close. So what you want to do is you want to hold down, actually select a blank space within this folder, okay, within your Platform Tools folder, hold Shift and right click, and then go Open Command Window here. Okay, and there we go. So the command window is now open and we're ready to operate this ADB.exe. Okay, so what you want to do is locate the path for your APK. Now for the sake of this video, I just got my APK in the same folder, so I don't have to be running around looking for my APK. You could have your APK wherever you want. So locate the path, and if you just select it or whatever, and you copy that right up there, that is your path. Okay, so here we go. I got my path right here, and I'll walk you through this a little bit here. So if we go, never mind this other screen, just look at this one here. So I'm going to paste this in. I'll right click and I'll go paste. So basically we're going, oh, actually I missed something on that paste, didn't I? Yes, I did. Okay, scratch that. Let's try this again. Can I edit? No, I can't. Okay, there we go. Unknown batch. Okay, sorry, I accidentally. Okay, so paste that in, and here we go. So ADP or ADB, which is the ADB.exe, install, and then the path. Okay, that's what we're telling it to do. This -e flag here, ADB -e install, is saying install to the open emulator. So you might have several emulators, and that's why we had to open the emulator. But if you only have one system image or one emulator hooked up, you could probably leave this -e flag out, and you don't have to actually open your emulator either. I'm not sure, I never tested it. But essentially, get that, install your path, like so. Hit enter, and it'll go through a phase. Now I already got it installed, just to save time, but it takes about 5-10 minutes. Not 5-10 minutes. Maybe like 1-2 minutes, somewhere around there, and you'll get to a screen that will look like this. So what'll happen is it'll go like this, and it'll go package, whatever. It might actually even hang up on you here before it says success, like mine actually did. Well, you just had to hit enter on your keyboard, and it actually went success for me. Other times, it just ran through and went success. But essentially, once it goes through and you hit enter and you hit success, you're good to go. Alright, see, actually it's doing it here, and it's kind of hanging up there, and it's not showing me success. I think if I hit enter, it might do it there for me. Okay, failure. I already installed it though. That's okay, because I already installed it. Okay, but it's installed. Here we go. We go to our emulator, and right here, my screen resolution is really low, so I move my toolbar around here to actually see the emulator. It's besides the point. Okay, so here's our apps within here, and we could see the app installed right here, and you just click it to open it. I'll just use this other app here as an example. So you just click it, open it, and you got it installed. Alright, so there's your app. There it is. There's installed. If you want to install it or uninstall it, for example, like failure here, and you want to reinstall your app, you could just select it here. Oh, it's grabbing something here. Okay, just select it here to uninstall, and you can go uninstall like that, and you can uninstall the application so that you don't get this error. So if it's already existing, but that's it, guys. It was that simple to do that. I hope this helped you out. Make sure you guys like this video. It'll really help me out.